In central London, it's easy to feel disconnected from the natural world. Wedged between towering concrete and bustling traffic, life can be a little claustrophobic. Building big has changed the way we live and altered our entire planet.
So the production of cement is named as one of the primary polluters in the world. We need to be looking at materials that we can grow, materials that aren't scraped from the surface of the planet.
For thousands of years, timber has been used in construction, and now Waugh Thistleton architects are among those embracing wood as a 21st century design material. It takes a lot of water and a lot of energy to make cement and steel. Engineered woods, such as cross-laminated timber or CLT, are lighter and can be prefabricated exactly to the architect's specification, cutting down time and waste.
So over the last 10 years, cross-laminated timber is becoming increasingly sophisticated. The planks are sprayed with that adhesive, and then they're put into a big hydraulic press, and then out the other side of the press comes the panel. And it really is a pretty similar panel that goes together that makes both the walls, the floors, the elevator shaft, everything is made from these really simple panels.
The result is timber that can replace steel and concrete without the same environmental cost. Here in East London, the architects put CLT to the test by designing what the building's engineers say is now the world's largest CLT building. It's 17,000 square feet with 10 stories of office and residential space. It's clad in brick, but still weighs a fifth of what it would if its internal structure was concrete.
This is what architects need to be doing globally, is building high-density urban housing, and we've done that at volume in timber in London.
To hit climate targets, the United Kingdom must cut in half the carbon emissions associated with the creation and use of buildings by 2025.
If we don't start to measure for a start and then control the amount of carbon that goes into our built environment, then we have a major problem. We need to have a livable city. We can't get to 2050 and have just a concrete urban jungle around us. People don't want that.
Waugh Thistleton has now constructed 12 buildings from engineered timber, and that's just the beginning.
I don't see why we can't live in a city made from timber. We need cities full of good, high-quality buildings, places for people to live and work in, and timber buildings make the best buildings.